I founded Lima Company in 1976. We had a pretty rough recession going on at the time. There wasn't much work going on. So in my time off, I was out looking for work wherever I could find it, and we started picking up side jobs here and there, and before you know it, the referrals start coming in, and when work started to be more plentiful, and I was asked to get back to my previous job, I realized I had too much work going on, and Lima Company was born. We've been using Taco products since the day I went in business. I was familiar with them when I was coming up in the trade. I always liked their product. I always supported the product. In the very beginning, it was all the residential products. And as we moved into the commercial end, Taco was there to not only help supply what we needed, but they gave us the engineering help to really make sure we understood what we were doing. So Taco has been there for us, teaching us as our business grew how to grow using their product. BJ Tironi is the type of firm that we don't go to Tironi because of the products they might be repping. We go to Tironi because of the people that are there. We go to them because they're always there when we need them. They give us the right information that we need to know. They won't spec a product because they need to sell it. They'll only spec a product because it's the right product for the application. For those reasons, there's no reason to go outside of Tironi.
On a recent commercial project, Lima Company tapped BJ Tironi's Paul Silvestri for help with a problematic domestic hot water recirculation system. Grandview Condominiums is a 17-story building that was previously a Holiday Inn hotel, transformed about 10 years ago. This created a shift in water use patterns. Lima Company received a call that the domestic hot water circulator had failed. This was a recurring problem. Lima technicians found several other discarded pumps in the mechanical room when they took over the service contract. Silvestri began piecing the puzzle together. There used to be a commercial kitchen and a full-service laundry when the building was a hotel. When it was converted to condos, the DHW load dropped, but the pump size never did. Silvestri and Joe Mattiello at Taco Comfort Solutions calculated the new hot water demand and suggested installing a new, properly sized ECM circulator that would be a good match. Taco's new 1915E light commercial circulator fit the bill. It provides a peak flow rate of 120 GPM and a maximum 65 feet of head. More importantly, the 650-watt circulator is variable speed. It ramps up or down to closely match real-time demand. Lima Company technicians installed the stainless steel 1915E and set the pump to 0 to 10 volt mode, one of the 9 modes that can be selected from the face of the pump. Since then, there hasn't been a single call from the property. The solution Lima Company provided for Grandview Condominiums is indicative of the service they strive to provide for all their customers.
If there's one thing I want Lima Company to be known for is the quality of the people that make it. We've been doing business with the same reps, the same wholesalers, the same manufacturers, going on 42 years. And the way it looks and the way things are going, hopefully we're going to be here for another 42 years, and hopefully with the same people. Might be different faces, but it'll all be the same companies, and I'm looking forward to it. I just wish I would be here in 42 years.